Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Hey y'all, Billy here with another quick tip. Welcome back. Billy here with, you can call it a quick tip. I'm going to list it under my quick tips, but it's actually more of a hack than a quick tip. See this snap ring? This used to be what held the bottom bag to my dust collector to the filter unit. And it just happens to fit perfectly around this 30-gallon trash bag or trash can that I got at Walmart. I put a bag in it, drip it over, pull it over the edge, and snap it closed. The bag don't fall down inside anymore. The bag, I had a hard time keeping up here. These are 30-gallon trash bags. This is a 30-gallon trash can, but they wanted to keep falling down inside. So I decided to try and see if this would fit. It fits perfect. So if you convert your Harbor Freight dust collector and you got a 30-gallon trash bag, you got a way to hold it in place.